Hey guys, welcome back again to this new video tutorial with OSP Pro. Please members, if you have not yet subscribed to OSP channel, I please recommend you please make sure you subscribe to my channel. There's a big reason as to why maybe I don't always like to start everything again afresh, because I don't want to confuse many of our new people who happen to join the platform. And also to anyone who's maybe programming with us, I would like someone always to follow me up, and so I request you please make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you can be on the same base and also be in a position to comment and maybe let us learn. Now remember last time from the previous video I planned to explain to you all the format in which how you can always draw up your graph. Let me just move this off so that maybe it can also take part in our graph. Now in this our 7th video tutorial on our data visualization with the Python, we are going to be learning also how to give a title and labels, if possible, to our graph. Let me just start with the title at this very short meantime. So if you happen to cross check, this is our video, you'll discover that it just looks like that fine, but there's no title on it, and in which I would also like to change those coordinates. I'm tired of it because I'm just going to change a little bit of them. This looks like 40 or 20, that's it. So this look like maybe how that's 80. This one looks like maybe let's take it to 49. Just try to play around with those coordinates so that I can get something which maybe you guys can think here to be that. Let me just take that, let's save that. So when I happen to come back here, refresh, and I try to run these coordinates, we shall be getting something like this. You get something like that. So that's how my graph looks like, that's how my coordinates tend to look like. Now if I would like to give, I would like in this video, short video, to make sure that we give a title for our graphs. Now give assumption we already have the value, we already have x-axis and y-axis. So to give a graph, there's something that you always have to note down to give. You say pl.title, and after giving pl.title, there's something that you have to give there down, is now the name of your graph. I will simply say maybe our graph is going to be having what on us it's like maybe a plot of maybe y against x, or you can say a plot of y versus x if you want to use that kind of format. Now to make sure what happened to library, because if we happen to save this, that's what will going to be in our title. Hopefully there's no error, and if you try to cross check, this is it. I think so far you're seeing what I'm trying to mean. We now have a title into our graph, which is so good. Now let us also learn maybe how to add what known as, or let me just make it to be the next video if maybe it's fine with you, or if not so let me just utilize this very minutes to add the what known as, how can I add the label on the our graph, this to be y and this to be x, something like that, to add a label into our graph so that we can have those kind of stuffs. This is adding title. Just can't even comment down here. Adding title to our graph, and also maybe adding what known as label, adding a label. And to add a label, this is what you have to know. We shall be saying pl dot what known as the one for x-axis. I say label, you open up there. So what's going to be the label there? You can say maybe this is going to be x-axis, like that. I may just say that is it, is what going to be our label. The same thing applies to y. So I'll say pl dot y label, like that. Then I happen to come back here and I say maybe y axis. So you'll discover that those coordinates I'm trying to give here, extract or whatever will be in here, either years or date, I don't know, whatever you're giving there, it will be corresponding to the y and x axis. So if I happen to run this down here and I try to run it, you'll discover that now we shall be having the coordinates as expected. This is it, and that's what I was explaining. We have the y axis and we have the x axis, and that's our coordinates. that's it, my friends. So please, that's how the stuff looks like. And if you try to configure on our stuff, that's how our stuffs can always be alike. So if I try to come back with trying to give to our graph, you can simply see that that's how it looks like. So my friends, please, if you know this video has happened to help you, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to comment and like the video. So once more, I say to add those coordinates, you have to say the PL, then make sure you type label the x-axis, and then whatever will be inside there will be marked on the x-axis, and it also applies to the y-axis. Whatever can be anything, because this is just going to be a print out statement whereby we'll be printing for what's been the y-axis and in the x-axis. So please, members, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you all. So please, let's start meet again on the next video. Thank you guys for watching.